Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you difference between been and gone. Gone shows one-sided action, not return, still there. It means यानी वापसी नहीं हुई. Been show two-sided return and complete visit यानी कि वापसी हो गई. For example, she has been to Karachi. She has gone to Karachi. ओके. बीन टू कराची यानी कि वो कराची जाकर वापस आई, लेकिन गॉन वो चली गई. हैव यू एवर बीन टू फ्रांस? आई हैव नेवर बीन टू फ्रांस. सो दे बोथ आर पास्ट पार्टिसिपल एंड बोथ यूज्ड विद present perfect but don't have same meaning. Been talk about complete visits. For example, she has been to Karachi. It means she visited Karachi at some point in the past and now she is back in the Lahore. You have to be careful with pronunciation. When say been in a sentence, it becomes been. Okay. And she's been to Karachi but she has gone to Karachi means she traveled to Karachi and she is still in Karachi. Okay. Now been, you go somewhere and return. Gone, you go somewhere but don't return. Okay. It means been means that someone went somewhere and came back, but on the other hand gone shows that someone went somewhere and is still there. He has not returned. You can if I talk in Urdu, तो बीन ज़ाहिर करता है कि यानी कि वो कराची गई और घूम फिर कर वापस आ गई, लेकिन ऑन दी अदर हैंड गॉन बताता है कि वो कराची गई लेकिन अभी भी वो कराची में ही है, वापस नहीं आई. ओके. You can use it not only for cities, you can use it restaurant, like you can say I have never been this restaurant, or you can say it for store, I have never been this store. So that's how you can use it in for different things. Okay. So that's all about been and gone. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.